What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm working with a brand called ILIKEHAIRWIG.com. I will make sure to leave all of their socials for you so you guys can go check them out. I'll also leave it in my description box down below. Today, the product that I am reviewing is called the I-Part Wig, and this is their I-Part Curly Wig. What makes it an I-Part is that it is designed in a unique way where there is no leave out. No leave out. It is just clips and you blend it in and boom, it looks like you have a leave out. It looks like an actual legitimate part. It's similar to a U-part, but a U-part requires you to have a leave out. This does not, which makes it like absolutely amazing. The hair is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. It is a little big. I'm not used to this much hair, but there's literally people that have this amount of mass growing out of their scalp, so it's just something to get used to, baby. So it is okay. I kind of wanted more of that fro fluffy look versus the wet down look. It wasn't like, I don't think that this hair was not giving me the wet look vibe. It can do that, but I wanted it to be more on the fluffy side, more fluffy and fun. What makes the I-Part wig so awesome is the fact that there is no lace. No lace at all. No glue, no leave out, and no thin leave outs. I have absolutely no hair left out. And to really show you that I have no hair left out, my natural hair, I dyed it. It's ginger. This is what my natural hair looks like. It is that color. So I can't even have a leave out even if I wanted to. Like, it looks like this could be growing out of my head, bro. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. So no lace, no glue, no leave outs, and no thin leave outs. The type of closure that this is a true root closure. So it matches the roots of your natural hair, making it seem as if you do have a leave out, but you really don't, which is like amazing because sometimes having a leave out can be such a hassle. The I-Part wig, you don't have to worry about none of that. The leave out on this hair is 99 to 100% less than a U-Part wig, so you literally don't have to have no leave out at all. You can have a little bit right here if you want to have some edges. But honestly, for this look, I didn't even decide to do edges because I'm just doing like a I just did a wash and go. This is like day 3 hair, looking fabulous, gorge, you feel me? My own thoughts on this hair: it is super soft, easy to detangle. Conditioner loves it, so I would highly recommend co-washing your hair, like co-washing it with like conditioner and water. I'll show you later on in the video how I did that. 1, 2, 3, you put this on in 10 seconds, you ready to go. There's no lace, there's no glue. You don't gotta worry about it sweating off. You don't have to worry about it coming off of your head, nothing. It is like secure. I want to show y'all real quick. I'll be sure to leave everything in the description box down below so that you guys can really get into this unit, because yes. And also, when you do decide to go check out my description box, and if you think about really getting that hair, to save you some coins, use my coupon code Makeda25 to get 25% off your order. If you're interested in this hair, just keep on watching so you can see how I installed it. Let's just jump right into it. So this is what the packaging looks like from ILIKEHAIR.com. Inside of the box comes a little paper, basically them giving you all of their social medias and incentives and ways to win money and gifts. So inside the box, this is what the hair looks like packaged. It comes with a rat tail comb, and it also comes with a makeup bag full with goodies. So inside of this makeup bag comes a wig cap for your future installations on wigs. It comes with a comb / brush for your eyebrows or for teasing the hair. It comes with hair combs, little clips to help clip your hair out the way, and it also comes with a tweezer. And finally, it comes with a shower cap if you ever want to protect your hair from the water when you shower. And you can also use this bag for future items, like if you're going traveling or anything like that. But this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the box. It hasn't been co-washed yet or anything. Here I'm just showing you how the wig is constructed. So this is what the I-Part wig looks like. Inside comes 2 combs on each side and 1 comb in the crown of your head. So you just use those to just clip it on, and boom, you're ready to go. It also comes with a elastic band in the back, just in case if the wig is too big, it can fit your head more snug. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to condition the hair. By condition, I mean like co-wash condition, just to soften up those curls. I'm going in with my Tresemme and my Demon brush, and the curls are absolutely popping. I wanted to comb them on camera so you guys can really see how the curls look after you add conditioner. It really does make a huge difference, so I would recommend not skipping this step. It really enhances those curls. Out of all the detangling I did, this is all the hair that came out, which is pretty good because curly hair sheds a lot, and I got minimal tangling and minimal shedding with this unit. So here I'm just showing you how easy it is to clip the hair onto your head. So you just put it, line it up with the part of your natural hair, clip it on, and then you're gonna go in with a toothbrush and you're just gonna tease up the eye part line on this wig just to make it look more natural, make it look more like it's growing out of your scalp. Once I do that, I'm gonna go in and just define the curls just a little bit more. I didn't want that wet look, but I wanted like the fluffy, ooh, my curls look nice look, you know what I mean? So I'm going in with some curling products and some water, just running my fingers through that, slightly detangling it through, and I'm also went in with some mousse just to add a little bit of oomph to the look. So once I did all of that, I detangled it, made sure I like the way it looks, did the same thing on the other side, and then I went back in and worked on that part just a little bit more. So I'm just trying to make it look as natural as possible. And once I was done with this, it literally took me about 5 to 7 minutes. It was not long at all. And once I'm done with that, this is the finished look. I love this hair. It looks like it's going straight out of my scalp. Okay, get into it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll make sure to put everything down in my description box down below. Remember, use my code Makeda25 to get 25% off your order. And if you guys have any additional questions, be sure to comment down below and I will let you guys know anything that I might have missed in the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, spam the comment section, and be sure to check out ILIKEHAIRWIG.com so that you guys can check out all the other units they may have. I love you guys. Stay sexy, glow gang, you already know, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.